The Cowboy Studio Lighting Kit is a great addition to any studio. This kit is one of the best continuous lighting kits in the market. Higher power lighting source of continuous lighting. The softbox can be set up in seconds by pushing the center ring over the fixture. No more hassle, no more odds to bend or lose. Softboxes are enclosures around a bulb and create even and diffused light by bouncing light off of a second surface to diffuse the light. The softbox diffuses continuous lighting, giving you perfect even lighting. You will get almost shadowless light that will wrap around your subject. It features two top quality aluminum adjustable light stands. Two quick setup softboxes with AC socket. Two 85 watt, 5500K compact fluorescent light.